So friends, let's see today's lovely white chocolate fudge and caramel filled white chocolate recipes. So we're going to start with the white chocolate fudge. These are very simple recipes. So here I've created a double boiler and I'm going to add 200 grams of white chocolate compound. We're going to melt this compound by stirring in between so we get a nice smooth consistency. And now once it gets completely, once it melts completely, we're going to add 100 grams of condensed milk. This is homemade condensed milk. I'll leave a recipe of how to prepare this no-cook 5-minute condensed milk recipe. And then you can take it out from the heat. And now I'm going to add about a quarter cup of mixed dry fruits, that is raisins, almonds, black currants. So you can add whatever dry fruits you have at home, just chop them fine. And now I'm just going to add them to a lined cake tin. And I'm just going to spread it out evenly. And then I'm going to refrigerate this for at least 1 hour. And after 1 hour, it's all ready. So now you can just demold it by lifting up the baking paper. That makes it easier. And then just cut it up into squares. So use a nice sharp knife and cut them up into even squares like this. And our chocolate fudge is all ready. You'll have to store this in the refrigerator. And now we go to the caramel filled white chocolate. This is also very, very simple. So again in the double boiler, I've melted 200 grams of white chocolate compound. Now once the chocolate melts completely, you're going to pour this into your chocolate mold. So I have this silicone mold. So only pour it halfway through. And then with a spoon, just see that it goes all over. Even the edges are coated like this. And then refrigerate this for 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes, you see that it's nice and set. So now we're just going to fill it up with some Hershey's caramel syrup. You can add chocolate syrup also or strawberry. And again, we're going to freeze this for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, I'm just going to fill the remaining white chocolate on top of the caramel because it's set now. Again, refrigerate it for 30 minutes. And then it's all ready to just demold and enjoy. And you can just, smoothen out the edges with a sharp knife. And that's it, guys. Your caramel filled white chocolate is all ready. So I hope you enjoy these two recipes. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.